Today I want to show you what an old timer had shown me many years ago, how to stop and check engine blow-by. That's right, with balloons. These old timers were very resourceful, and I want to pass this helpful information along to you. As you can see, we're taking out the dipstick first. Now, the dipstick tube, we're going to insert the balloon right over top of it. That's right, positive crankcase ventilation. We're going to find out just how bad this blow-by really is. I'm going to be using an engine with the worst blow-by that you've ever seen. We have our adapter in and a clear tube because you can see the blow-by because of the oil vapors. The balloon will show us how bad it is by expanding until it bursts. Gases escape around the piston ring area from becoming extremely worn. Now we'll go ahead and start this motor up and see just how bad it really is. Whoa, a lot of smoke, right? Well, I believe some seals are already damaged on this engine. As you can see, it's burning so much engine oil. But look at this guy. The balloon's filling up, but it's not really getting that big. So I believe it's escaping around some seals. Let's go ahead and use the balloon to find out. See, squeezing the balloon, the gases are easily escaping and not through the balloon. They're actually going out somewhere on one of the seals of the engine, and that explains such a bad oil burning problem. But here we have Lucas upper cylinder lubricant, and there's a lot of great qualities with this one. Loss of compression, burned valves, broken rings. This can really help us out a lot with sealing that problem area. So not only does Lucas increase compression, but lubricates compression rings for easier piston travel, more power, and less cylinder wear. You can do a leak down test or a compression test to see just how bad the engine is worn as well. Now, time to go ahead and add this Lucas formula to the gasoline. The generator has a 4-gallon gas tank. I'm going to be adding 6 ounces of Lucas upper cylinder lubricant. In the future, I won't add near as much, but each time I do refuel the generator, I will have to add a couple of ounces to it. Hey, if this can make this generator last a lot longer, I prefer doing this any day of the week. And it usually runs quite a bit better when using this product. This is one of the few additives that actually gain a lot of benefits from using. One of the things that you can do, check your PCV valve. Make sure it's operating properly. You can take the PCV valve out and use some brake clean to clean it and work it back and forth. This way it's not clogged up, because if it is, what's going to happen, it's going to cause some major oil leaks. That's right, whether it's your valve cover seal, your camshaft seals, your crank seals. I mean, it can cause a lot of problems. Now we'll go ahead and start this engine up and see if this worked out for this engine. Plus, you can see there's already been some problems with the oil seals on this engine. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to grab the balloon and squeeze the blow-by right out of it. It's going out of the engine somewhere, so we'll have to take care of that as well. But you can see the blow-by coming up this clear hose. Always make sure to check your engine to see if it's at operating temperature before checking for engine blow-by. The oil has worked its way all the way up to the top of the clear hose almost. But as you can see, it actually worked. Well, this definitely surprises me each time I do it. For more information on Lucas or where to find it, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.